Welcome back to our space. In today's video, we're talking about the top 5 best RC airplanes you should buy in 2026. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've compiled a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific use case, I'm here to help. For more details about the products, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The E-flite Viper 70 EDF Jet BNF Basic with AS3X and SAFE Select is a high-performance electric jet designed for pilots who are stepping up their skills, as well as experienced flyers looking for speed and precision. This model has been updated and upgraded with a more powerful performance system, smart electronics, shock-absorbing landing gear with softer tires, and a high-visibility color scheme, making takeoffs and landings smoother and more confident. The Viper 70 features an extremely wide performance envelope, allowing for smooth, stable cruising or aggressive high-speed flight, with top speeds exceeding 120 miles per hour and strong vertical performance. It runs on popular 6S 3200 to 4000 mAh 30C batteries, delivering an excellent balance of power, responsiveness, and flight time. Equipped with the Spectrum AR631 receiver, the jet offers industry-leading DSM-X technology, AS3X stabilization for a locked-in feel, and real-time telemetry when paired with compatible transmitters. An optional thrust reversing feature helps shorten landing rollout and improves ground handling, adding extra control after touchdown. The E-flite Viper 70 is an excellent choice for pilots looking for realistic jet performance, advanced technology, and an exciting yet manageable flying experience. Number 4. The FMS Ranger 1220mm RC airplane is the perfect choice for adult beginners who want an easy, stable, and enjoyable introduction to RC flying. Designed with simplicity in mind, this airplane is extremely easy to control and requires only about 3 meters of runway for takeoff, allowing you to fly in a wide variety of locations. Its well-balanced structure delivers excellent low-speed stability, making it ideal for learning basic flight skills with confidence. This upgraded version features a high-visibility yellow paint scheme with added red and green accents, making orientation in the air much easier. The front landing gear includes a spring-loaded shock absorption system that reduces impact during takeoff and landing, helping beginners avoid damage. A newly designed wing coupling system further improves structural strength and overall flight stability. Assembly is quick and beginner-friendly, thanks to a quick-release structure and clear installation steps. The two-piece wing and fuselage design allows fast setup while saving up to 60% of storage space, making transport and storage far more convenient. The Ranger is equipped with a reflex flight control system designed for pilots at all levels. It offers 3 flight modes: beginner mode with full self-stabilization, advanced mode with partial assistance, and off mode for full manual control, allowing pilots to grow their skills at their own pace. Built from lightweight yet durable EPO foam with a high wing layout and large wing area, the Ranger delivers smooth, stable flights with excellent lift and strong impact resistance. Free technical support and a 3-month parts warranty provide extra peace of mind, so you can focus on enjoying every flight. Number 3. The E-flite T28 Trojan 1.1 meter BNF Basic is an easy-to-fly RC airplane designed for pilots who are ready to take the next step beyond a basic trainer. Equipped with optional Safe Select flight protection, this model helps prevent over-control and loss of orientation, making takeoffs, flight, and landings smoother and more confidence-inspiring. Safe Select can be enabled or disabled, allowing pilots to grow their skills at their own pace. This updated and improved version delivers enhanced scale appearance along with sport flying performance. It offers higher speed, increased energy, and a more dynamic flight experience, while remaining predictable and stable in the air. The T-28 Trojan is an excellent intermediate aircraft, perfect as a next-step airplane after a trainer, a first-scale model, or even a pilot's first low-wing aircraft. It is easy to take off, responsive in flight, and forgiving during landings. Advanced onboard technology includes the Spectrum AR631 receiver, featuring industry-leading DSMX technology, AS3X stabilization, and fly-by-range telemetry when used with compatible transmitters, delivering a smooth and locked-in flying experience. As a bind-and-fly basic model, the T-28 allows you to use your own compatible Spectrum transmitter. Simply bind it to the included 6-channel receiver, add a battery, and you're ready to fly. The E-flite T-28 Trojan 1.1 meter is the perfect balance of realism, performance, and pilot-friendly technology, making it an ideal choice for progressing RC pilots. Number 2. The HobbyZone AeroScout S 1.1 meter RTF Basic is one of the most durable and reliable RC trainer airplanes available, making it an excellent choice for first-time pilots, as well as experienced flyers who enjoy teaching others how to fly. Designed as a true trainer, the AeroScout S2 is equipped with exclusive safe technology that helps prevent crashes and reduces the learning curve. This system limits excessive bank angles and provides self-leveling assistance, allowing new pilots to build confidence quickly while enjoying a smooth and controlled flying experience. The aircraft features 3 selectable flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and experienced. With a simple flip of a switch, pilots can easily adjust the level of stabilization to match their skill level and progress at their own pace. This ready-to-fly basic version includes nearly everything needed to get into the air. The airplane comes fully assembled with electronics installed, along with a Spectrum DXS transmitter. A compatible LiPo battery and charger are required but sold separately, giving pilots the flexibility to choose their preferred setup. The included Spectrum DXS controller operates on industry-leading DSMX 2.4 GHz technology, providing a strong, reliable connection and interference-free control for a confident flying experience. The HobbyZone AeroScout S 1.1 meter is a tough, easy-to-fly trainer that delivers safety, stability, and performance, making it a perfect starting point for new pilots and a trusted teaching tool for experienced flyers. Number 1. The HobbyZone Carbon Cub S 1.3 meters BNF Basic is one of the most capable and versatile scale trainer RC airplanes available, inspired by the iconic Carbon Cub from Cub Crafters. Designed to be easy to fly, this aircraft is equipped with exclusive SAFE technology that helps prevent crashes by providing flight envelope protection and self-leveling assistance. This makes learning to fly easier and more confidence-inspiring, while still allowing pilots to progress their skills. The Carbon Cub S2 offers impressive versatility. In addition to smooth and stable training flights, it is fully capable of performing aerobatic maneuvers such as loops, rolls, and even inverted flight, making it fun and rewarding for intermediate and experienced pilots. For even smoother landings, the aircraft supports an optional landing assist sensor, which is easy to install and helps reduce descent rate during final approach, especially useful for newer pilots. This is a bind-and-fly basic model, allowing you to use your own compatible Spectrum transmitter. Simply bind it to the included 6-channel Spectrum receiver. Add a battery, and you're ready to fly. The HobbyZone Carbon Cub S 1.3 meters combines realistic scale appearance, beginner-friendly technology, and exciting performance, making it an excellent choice for pilots of all skill levels. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.